Very happy with the mobile glass service. I called them yesterday. When you call in, the recording gives you a number you can text. Texted, they responded less than 5 minutes. Had my questions answered. She actually called me because I had a few questions, and then set it up for next day. Alex was just out here, very professional, did a great job. I have a Subaru Forester. The front windshield was cracked, been for about 1.5 years, and just got around to it. And he replaced it without any issue. Very courteous, sweet to my son, and did an excellent job. It was very, very easy. Love that it was so quick. They came out to my house. Everything went very smoothly. I'm very happy with the service. I would recommend them highly, and will definitely use them again in case I get a crack or any windshield issues.